Leave am first.
I go find petrol, come clean the up.
Leave am first, make e dry first, or you come clean am.
I wan check something for that.
I no wan hear leakage o. Abeg.